Have you ever stumbled across TikTok's balance section and wondered, what are TikTok coins, and what do I do with them? You're not alone. These virtual coins might seem mysterious at first, but they're actually an integral part of TikTok's ecosystem. Let's break it all down. TikTok coins are a virtual currency you purchase with real money. You can use them primarily for two things. First, to buy virtual gifts for your favorite creators during live videos or, occasionally, on their posts. These gifts are a way to show support, but keep in mind that TikTok takes a significant cut before the creators can cash out what they earn. Second, TikTok coins can be used to promote your own content. For example, a small investment can help you gain more followers or visibility. The success of promoting depends on your goals. If you're looking to grow your brand or monetize your content, it could be worth it. But for casual users, it's probably not necessary. Now, what about TikTok diamonds? While coins are what users purchase, diamonds are what creators earn when they receive gifts. Essentially, you buy coins, send gifts, and those gifts convert into diamonds for creators, which they can then cash out. It's a whole cycle, but coins themselves can't be converted back into real money, so spend them wisely. Currently, 100 TikTok coins are worth about $1.27, and they don't expire, so you can hold on to them for as long as you like. If you're curious about how much your coins are worth, check out our TikTok coins calculator to find the latest exchange rates. Want more details? Visit our blog for the full breakdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and insights. See you next time.